Hello guys, you would have already known 1 hour back the UPSC 2020 prelims result came, which includes the prelims of civil service and the forest service exam. Okay, so the result is there and it's in record time, as I told, 19 days. The earliest one was I think last year and the previous year, where it was around 39 days or 42 days it came, the result came. Okay, meaning after you give the prelims, that many days. So this is like, October 4 you gave, and by October 23 it comes, that is in less than 20 days the result came. Okay, so congrats to all who have cleared this exam, but you should not worry if it is you have failed or your name is not there. There will be various reasons for that, because already we see that there are many institutes telling that students have got more than 100 marks, 105 marks, still their name is not there, so cutoff will be very high. So such things are going on, but you will not know the cutoff till next year. Okay, and you will not know your marks also. But maybe the reason for your name is not there is that you would not have cleared CSAT. Okay, we have seen many students like that who thinks that they are failed because the GS1 marks is bad. It's not like that. You would have cleared GS1. Okay, it may be again same range only, like we told, 97 to 103. That will be the range of your marks, the cutoff marks. But the CSAT, maybe you are not qualifying. Okay, I think 66 marks or how much you need, that you are not qualifying. Maybe the reason. Okay, but you pass or fail, take it as a learning. We promise to be with you, whether it's for 2020 mains or 2021 prelims. We'll be there with you. Okay, so we'll discuss more on that. But first, we'll see how to check the result. Go to UPSC website. Here, view all. Okay, here it's there, scrolling is there, result. Okay, because I think they are keeping on updating, because these links are going on changing. Okay, half an hour back the links were looking different. So here if you click on whichever exam you want to check, result civil service preliminary examination, the PDF will come. Okay, see here, this PDF will come. So here if you see, dated 23rd October, on the basis of the result of the civil service exam held on 4th October, the candidates with the following roll numbers have qualified. Okay, and here those who qualified, they will need more details. So the candidature is provisional, and then the detailed application form. This is the next step for those who cleared. This is the detailed application form which you have to fill. Okay, and that will be going till your last stage. Okay, your interview, where they'll be checking all the things which you written here. There will be one more DAF later, but this is your primary thing if you cleared the exam. Okay, for the mains. So it will be available in this UPSC website from 28th to 11 November 11. It is there till 6 p.m. So qualified candidates should go there, take it, fill it, and do the needful. The instructions will be there in detail. Okay, maybe if you want that, by that time I'll make another video for that. So that is for the people who cleared. Okay, first get themselves registered on the relevant page of the above website before filling on the online DAF. So when you go to this link, they will guide you, so nothing to worry. You just need your roll number and things to go ahead. And again, admit card along with timetable of the said exam will be uploaded on the commission's website. Okay, like they told, like the mains will happen in January, but the exact date of which date, what time, what paper will happen, that thing will come. Okay, around 3 to 4 weeks time before the exam it will come. Candidates are also informed that the marks, cutoff marks, and answer key of screening test held through this thing will be uploaded on the commission website only after the entire process. Like 2019, the cutoff and marks and all just now published. Few weeks back only it got published, because they were waiting for the entire process to get over. Okay, so like that, you people also have to wait. Now, in case you have any queries, anything, you have to directly contact the UPSC board. They are telling like 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. in person, or this telephone numbers are there. So please contact accordingly. You will have to give your roll number, your name, and such things, basic things, whenever you contact UPSC website. Okay, so please, instead of asking UPSC YouTubers and mentors and unwanted things for any serious issues, please directly contact the UPSC board. Please don't do the foolishness of going around doing social media things. Okay, and if you see here, this is the PDF. So if you see, variety of numbers will be there. Okay, you will see like even each roll number will have a lot of gap between them. That means even if your name is there, maybe the full classroom in which you sat, nobody cleared. Okay, or maybe that full center nobody cleared. That happens all the time, because lakhs of people apply, and I think the total count, if you add up all this, it's around 10,000 to 10,500 people, okay, who cleared this time. So this is the entire list. You just have to go to this and do Control F and get your result. But as I told, if you don't find your result, please don't feel bad. Okay, this is especially 2020 if it's a first timer. Okay, so this was a very good learning opportunity for you. And then now, whether you passed or failed, you have to focus on your mains preparation as well, and do it in this order. Okay, start with your optionals, then ethics and case study, language papers which people don't take seriously, then GS papers, because already for prelims you would have studied a lot of things that just you need to make it in an expansional form, that is called GS paper for mains. Okay, some extra things are there like world history, international relations, for which we will give you guidance videos in a short time. Then you have to revise a lot, and answer writing you have to do. That can be done on a daily basis, or you can join a test series. Okay, any test series. We as of now have no package for 2020 mains test series or optionals. Maybe we'll do it towards the end, maybe around December time. A mini test series will be there, so that you sit and study now, and that time you can simply write few tests and evaluate. We will evaluate for you. Okay, that is around December time. I will announce it within 1 week. Okay, so that is the plan. And for 2021, you people can contact us anytime. Okay, 2021 prelims is already open and 3 batches are running. You can contact. But now you go and check your result. I will come with more videos soon. So thank you and have a nice day.